need to go somewhere. I'm fading in the air. Can't find myself down there. I need to go somewhere to run away. To run away. To run away. To run away.
This place is so beautiful, really, like you have the rocks around it. Alright, we go at the manual mode, 27-degree camera angle, and we go.
Wanna go somewhere, someplace not on earth. Can't find myself down there. Need to fly like the birds. To run away. To run away. To run away. To run away, to run away, to run away. How'd you fly? You are mine. All the
Rear, follow, 3, 2, 1.
Look this place, guys. Look this. This is like we have even small beach and sand. And wow, we're going to get some fish here. We're going to fly FPV drone here, and I just gonna enjoy. I just gonna shut the fuck now. I'm not gonna say anything more. Just enjoy the silence and this beautiful view.